Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to start our new chapter, structure of atom science. Okay, structure of atom science, chapter number 4, chemistry. We have already uploaded chapter number 9, gravitation of physics, and today by itself I will try to upload chapter number 8, laws of motion, physics, and I will also upload chapter number 4, structure of an atom. So let's see how many topics are there in chapter number 4, structure of atom, and which of them are important. So in this video we are going to learn only, okay, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, there are 8 topics. And I have divided 8 topics. 4 we will do in this video and another 4 we will do in part 2. Okay, another 4 we will do in part 2. So in this video we are going to start our till here, from here to here, our part 2, and in part 1. In part 1, we are going to discuss valency. It is important but not that much of Rutherford. Let's see what is Rutherford. You have to just learn the definition, and what is valency, you have to just basic knowledge. Okay, you have to just carry the basic knowledge. Valency. Then we will do proton, electron and neutron. In chapter, they have divided the topics. First, how the proton have discovered, then how the electron has discovered, and who discovered them, and in which century, what is charge, definitions, and that all things are given in this chapter, but they are on different page. But we will take in simultaneously. Okay, we will take it simultaneously. So proton, electron and neutron. Then we will do Thomson model of an atom. Students, in this chapter there are 3 models of an atom. First one, there are 3 models of atom. In this video, we are going to study 2 models of atom: Thomson's model and Rutherford model. Rutherford model of an atom. And in part 2, we will learn Bohr's model, Neil Bohr's model of an atom. And in part 2, we will do Bohr's model, distribution of electron, mass and atomic number, atomic mass and atomic number. Then we will do isotope and isobars. Okay. So in this chapter there are 2 main topics that are asked in board as well as in your 9th final and midterm exam. Which are they? Rutherford model of an atom, okay, and isotope and isobar. In Rutherford model of an atom, there are 3 topics. Okay, I have written also there. There are 3 things. First, he have done an experiment. He observed what is going on what is going in the experiment. He observed that all thing. Then conclusion he made. Then he give a model. And after that, some scientist came out that he was wrong. The drawback of Rutherford. That means the Rutherford makes something correct and something wrong discovered. Okay, so that all topics we will do in this part 1. So let's start with part 1, and let's start first of all with valency. So students, we are on valency topic. Okay, our first topic is valency. So what is valency? How can you will define it? Okay, let's see how will we define the valency, as well as what is valency electron, what is share, lose and gain of electron, and what Bohr-Bury give a statement. Let's see. And what is the valency, you can find out. Let's see. Okay, first of all, let's see a definition of valency. Combining capacity of an element is known as valency. That means if any atom, we know that atom is neutral, that means 7 proton and 7 electron. Proton charge is plus and minus. Okay, so 7 number of proton and 7 number of electron. So both will cut out each other. So it is neutral. But we also know that atom is stable. And atom will, if let's see an example, if atom has 7 electron, 8 electron, okay, 8 electron. So it will definitely have 8 number of proton. So let's see a cell. I have made a cell in a topic of ions. If you have watched the chapter number 3 video, so if you have not watched, please go on the channel and watch the video. I have made a cell, and how the atom is formed, that I have also said. The first cell can accommodate only 2 electron, 8 electron are there. Second cell, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there are 6 electron in outermost cell. It need 2 electron. Okay, it need 2 electron to stable. So what he will do? He will gain or lose 6 electron. So about on this type of topic we are going to study. So let's see. Combining capacity of an element is known as valency. That means any type of element have a capacity to combine with other element. It is known as valency. Students, remember the definition, but you have to understand the concept. Remember the definition, but you have to understand the concept. Otherwise, you will be confused in 11th and 12th, because this topic this is basic. If you have not learned the basic in 11, 12 in chemistry, you are not going to score high marks. Okay, so pay attention on the board what I am writing and what I am giving notes. Remember students, the combining capacity of an element to another element. Okay, combined capacity of an element is known as valency. Okay, any element that combined to another element, it is known as valency. Let's move further. Total number of, that means, for example, this is the outermost cell and this is the outermost cell. There are 2 cells. There are 4 cells, but outermost cell, why I am saying outermost cell? Because electron is not totally 8. They are only 6. It need 2 electrons to complete its cell. So 6 are the outermost electron. Okay, this is the outermost cell and there are 6 electrons present in the outermost cell. So it is known as 6 electron valency electron. What is meant by valency electron? Valency electron, total number of electron present in the outermost cell is known as valency electron. Total number of electron, that means total number of electron that are present in outermost cell. This is outermost cell. Okay, this is outermost cell. They are present in outermost cell. It is known as valency electron. So there are 6 electrons in the outermost cell. So we will say valency electron is 6 electrons. Okay, 6 electrons. So let's see further. Bohr-Bury gives a statement that the atom can accommodate 8 numbers of electrons only in the outermost cell. Bohr-Bury is a very well-known scientist. He gave a statement that there are 4 shells. Okay, just forgot the drawing. Okay, you will be confused because there are 3 models. And this is the topic of Bohr, and Bohr is our last topic. But I am taking in mid because it will be, if you will not able to understand valency, you will be confused in further. Okay, total number of electron You just now you just remember the statement. In further class, in the part 2, in part 2 we are going to discuss about shell, electron, distribution of electron, and many more other things. But just you have to remember these things. First of all, you remember this. After onwards, I will give you the full definition with examples. So Bohr-Bury gives a statement that atom can accommodate 8 numbers of electron only in the outermost shell. That means first cell and second cell. In first cell there are only 2. Okay, not further than 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There are 4 shells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is compulsory that he said Bohr-Bury both are 2 scientists. They said that total number of electrons that accommodate in the last cell, it means the, I am explaining in Hindi, so pay attention. ये दोनों साइंटिस्ट ने ऐसा कहा कि जो सबसे लास्ट सेल होती है ना, सबसे लास्ट सेल एटम की, उसके अंदर सिर्फ और सिर्फ 8 नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन आ सकते हैं. उससे ज्यादा 9 भी नहीं आ सकते और 10 भी नहीं आ सकते. 8 नंबर इज द लास्ट नंबर दैट कैन बी मैक्सिमम accommodated in the last shell of the atom. Okay, the statement given by the Bohr-Bury. And gaining, losing or sharing is known as valency. I have not written sharing. Now in this chapter and in 9th standard you have to just learn gaining and sharing. Gaining and losing. Sharing will be in carry forward in 10th standard. Okay, so just forgot sharing. You have to concentrate on the gaining and losing. Let's see an example. You have to first of all take a screenshot or otherwise write in your notebook about these 4 IMP notes, because in part 2 I will just explain with mouth in Hindi. Okay, I am giving that in Hindi or English. I will decide that in English or Hindi I will explain, but I am not going to give notes. Okay, I am not going to give notes. This is for time. If I give notes, it is time wasting. So it is time wasting. I am giving notes over here, so you have to write first. Okay, so first of all take a screenshot and write it. Then we move forward. Okay, I hope that you have written or taken a screenshot. Let's take an example. See, there is one element Na. What is Na? Sodium. And sodium has total number of electron is 11. And how they will divide? First cell. Okay, first shell, then second shell, then third shell. In first shell there is 2 electron. In second shell there is 8 electron. Okay, and in last cell there will be 1 electron. In last cell there is 1 electron and it needs 7 electron to complete its outermost shell. But if we take 7 electron from another element, so lot of energy waste will be there. Lot of energy will be waste. Okay, so what he will do? He will react with Cl. Why Cl? I am explaining. Cl has 17. It will react with Cl because in Cl you can see 2, 8, 10 and 7. In outermost shell there is 7 electron. In Cl, in outermost shell of Cl there is only 7 electron. It needs 1 electron to complete its shell. So if Cl gives 7 electrons to sodium, there is lot of energy waste will be there. Okay, so what the Na will do? I lose and give my 1 electron to Cl, so he can complete it outermost shell, and I will also be completed because I have already 8 electrons in my last cell. So what Na will do, take his one electron and give it to the Cl. So Na will become plus, and Cl will become minus. Why Na become plus? Because we know that if there is 11 electron, there will be 11 proton. Now sodium is not sharing proton, it is only sharing electron. So electron become 10, so the number of proton is more, so it will become plus. As well as in chlorine has 17 proton and 17 electron, but after getting one electron from sodium, it will become 18. So one electron is more than the proton, so it will become minus, and they both will be combined by each other. Very strong bonding will be made between them. Very strong bonding will be made between them, because chemically he is giving electron to him, and he is gaining the electron. He is losing electron, he is gaining electron. So strong bonding between them is there. So it will become NaCl. We eat NaCl. Salt. Okay. We eat salt. So its formula is NaCl. So I hope that there is no confusion in valency. So first of all, let me know how many of you know the valency of and I have also said that to learn, read and by heart, and as well as in your mind, the tables 3.6 as well as table 4.1, they are most important tables, periodic tables in this chapter. If you are not know that, you are going to not score high marks in your exam. Okay, your concept will be not clear. So first of all, learn that periodic table. The outer we know that the outermost shell of an electron is known as valence electron. So its valence electron is 7, and sodium valence electron is 1. So sodium is losing 1 electron. So its valency will be, okay, here not space, 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करता है वो, he lose 1 electron. Okay, he lose 1 electron, so valency will be 1, and chlorine gain 1 electron, so its valency will be also, yes students, 1. Okay, plus 1, because he was gaining. Okay, not the plus or minus is depend on that. You just remember valency of is depend on giving or sharing. Now, why the noble gases? Which are the noble gases? Can I get the answer in comment box? Which are the noble gases? Yes, helium, then neon, then argon. They are not highly reactive. You can see hydrogen, oxygen, they are gases, but they are highly reactive. They react with lots of elements. But this helium, neon, argon, there are many other noble gases, but I have not written the name. So there are why they do not react with another element. So you can see helium has 2 electron and 2 proton. So its first shell will be completed. So its valency will be 0. And it does not needed of outermost shell, because its inner shell is full and its outermost shell is full. So it will be sit in the corner. It will not react with any gases or any element or any compound. He will sit only in the corner and corner. He will not came out or not came here and there. It will only sit in the corner. It will not react with any other. You can see now some students are sitting in the class only in the corner. That does not interfere in the any type of matter. And some students are like Don, they always interfere in the every matter. That's like here. Oxygen is Don. Don. You can remember oxygen as a Don because oxygen reacts with lot of element. Lot of oxygen react with lot of element. So it is known as Don. And helium, neon, argon, and another element, they will not interfere in matter because their outermost shell is full. They will not need anything. But the outermost shell of the oxygen is not full, so it will interfere in the interfere or react with other element to fill is outermost shell. Neon valency is 10, so 2 and 8. So outermost shell is full. 2. Its valency will be 0 because neon outermost shell is full. He not need of any other electron to that the other element give him or he give to another element, because the outermost shell of neon is full, so it will not react with another, as well as in helium also it will not react with another element because its outermost shell is full, as well as in argon also. 2, 8 and 8, 18 number, 10 number and 2 number, their atomic number is this. Okay, so first of all, second is full, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I have just draw a rough drawing, so you don't draw like that. So the outermost shell of the argon is also full. 2, 8, 8. I know, as you have know that the maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated is 8 electron. Okay, in outermost shell. So its outermost shell is full, so it will not react with another. So guys, we have just completed valency. Now let's move on the electron, proton and neutron. First of all, let's talk about symbol. The symbol of electron is E, symbol of proton is P, and symbol of neutron is N. The charge of electron is -1, charge of proton is +1, and charge of neutron is 0. Then the proton electron behave in nature negatively, proton behave positively, and neutron behave neutral. Then who discovered the electron? J.J. Thomson, E. Goldstein discovered proton, and James Chadwick discovered neutron. Then the mass of the electron is 1000 upon hydrogen atom. Okay, it was very it means it was very it mass is negligible. You can think that the mass of proton and neutron are equal, 1 u. Okay, so here we have completed our second topic, proton, electron and neutron. So let's move towards the model of an J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson atomic model of an atom. So let's move on it. So students, we are on Thomson model of an atom. Model of an atom. Okay, so let's see what Thomson had proposed, and not that much of proposed. Thomson has proposed means said. What Thomson has said in his statement about proton. Wait for 2 minutes. Students, avoid the unnecessary noise is coming from outside. I'm sorry for that. So Thomson has said some statements that about the model of an atom. Okay. He has said the positive sphere, that means this area, this all area is positively charged sphere, and this, yeah, first of all I erase all that unnecessary marks. This is positive, He said this is the positive whole sphere is positive and electrons are placed in it. That means he gave an example of watermelon. I hope that you have all eaten the watermelon. The red edible part, it is, he said that is proton, and the black seeds that are present in a watermelon, he said that is electron. Okay, and he gave two statements that atom have positive sphere and electron are placed in it, as I said to you. And second statement is given by him that charge of positive and negative, they are equal in magnitude. That means charge is equal if positive and electric charge, positive charge is 10, so negative charge will be 10. So as electron, electron is as a whole is neutral, atom as a whole is neutral. These two statements were given by the Thomson model of an atom. And here the model, you have, if you are writing this these two statements, you have to draw first of all this. So let's begin with Rutherford model of an atom. Rutherford model of an atom is quite harder, and it will take a time to understand. Okay, it is little bit harder. So in this video we will do till only the Rutherford model of atom, because if we will do in this video Thomson, Rutherford, Neil Bohr, you will be very confused in that. Okay, we will be very confused in that. So you first of all understand the Thomson model of an atom and Rutherford. After we will move on the Bohr's. Okay, in part 1 our Rutherford is the last topic. So let's move on the Rutherford. Okay students, now we are on Rutherford model of an atom. This topic is very important for this chapter, because this is the main scientist who have behaved most important role in the chemistry. He is known as the father of physicists. The Rutherford is known as the father of physics or chemistry, and he got the Nobel Prize also. He got the lots of Nobel Prize. So first of all, what he have taken? He have taken a very thin gold foil. Why he have taken gold foil? Because you know that ductility, sonorous, and malleability, and etc. So the gold has more malleability, that ductility, sorry, that it can be converted into a very thinnest. It can be thin than the paper also. Thin than the paper also. Only the metal is gold. It can be become thin than the paper. Okay, so he taken a gold and alpha particles. It charge alpha particles. It having charge of +2 and mass is 4u. They were made to fall on the gold foil like this. This is gold foil. And alpha particles. Alpha particles is denoted by A. Okay, alpha particles will be made on to fall on gold foil. So he observed. Let's first of all say, you have to draw the diagram. Diagram is this. You can see these are this atom of gold, and the dots are nucleus. Okay, so he done that experiment by fast moving alpha particles where charge is +2 and mass is 4u were made to fall on gold foil. Now he think that most of them will be deflected by, and another thinking has been doing in his mind, but observation will blow his and also you. Okay, what is he observed that most of the alpha particles, that means most of the alpha particles does not react with gold foil or meet with gold foil. They just pass through it. You can see the alpha particle is coming and pass through. He think the most of, as we all know that positive they rebound each other. Okay, and according to Thomson, the positive is whole whole is positive sphere and electrons are embedded in it. So he think the sphere is positive, so alpha particle will be rebound, but most of the alpha particle pass through the atoms. Okay, and the second observation he done is that some were deflected. That means alpha particle coming, here the nucleus are present, they deflected by small angles like this. Okay, some are 90 degree also. Okay, you can see here over the alpha particle is coming and deflected by over here and come towards down. Okay, now third was very shocking, because the Rutherford think that the mass of the alpha particle is very larger than the mass of the atom. So he think it will not rebound. It will remove the atom. But when an alpha particle come into the atom of a gold foil, it completely rebound. What does mean by completely rebound? It is coming in path. Okay, coming in path. Here the atom, here the nucleus after on find out here. Okay, first of all, not take confusion. Here the atom of gold foil, it just touch and come back, completely rebound, 180 degree completely rebound. He said, I am also shocked if I said that I am firing a gun on a tissue paper and the bullet is coming back by hitting the tissue paper. He said that I have also shocked. Okay, he was also shocked that 1 out of 12,000 rebound. That if 12,000 alpha particles are made to fall on the gold foil, 1 out of them means 1 particle completely rebound. That after this he found out, he made an experiment and observation. There is one more conclusion. Wait for me, while wait for students, wait for it. Okay, he made experiment. What is experiment? Made fast alpha moon particle having +2 charge and 4u mass, and observation is that the alpha particle completely move through atoms. Some are deflected by small angles and some are completely rebound. So here he have observed. Now in conclusion, what he have said, and doesn't forgot this. This was most IMP figure, students. You have to remember this, and in exam, if there is the they said to draw the to write the Rutherford model of an atom, you have to draw this. Okay, so remember, don't forget this. Now let's see what he have concluded and what he have made an nuclear model. Now students, we are on conclusion. Okay, this might be D. Now students, we are on conclusion. First of all, we have seen that how he has done the experiment and what 2 objects he has taken in that experiment, and we have also seen the model also. Okay, we have also drawn the model or figure here. Okay, he used gold foil and alpha particles and observed that the alpha particle goes straight, deflect by small angles, and rebound completely 180 degree. After that, he conclusion. That means after observation, he concludes the statement. Why? He observed that most of the space is empty because alpha particle goes straight. He said, as the alpha particle goes straight, that means the most of the space in gold foil atom is empty. Okay, atom has empty because he said that there is one atom, gold atom, and alpha particles go straightly. That means the positively charged sphere is occupy very small area. That's why it most of the space is empty. That's why the most of particle, alpha particle, go straight. Okay. Now second statement give very few deflected by small angles. That means positively charged, occupy or present in some part. That means here the positively charged sphere. Now, okay, the alpha particle were hit the positively charged sphere and deflected. He said very few particles. Okay, very few particles deflected by small angles. That means the positively charged sphere contain very small area. That means the Thomson model of atom, he was very wrong. He said whole sphere is positive and electrons are embedded. But experiment shows that in atom some very small some space occupied by the positive and other and this another area like this area were empty. Only at some part of atom the positively charged particle called proton is present and occupies space. Okay, then third statement he give 1 out of 1000 1 out of 12,000 alpha particle completely rebound. That means mass and the positively charged present at the center called nucleus. That means okay, I have made bigger one. This is nucleus. Okay, this is atom. Now alpha particle were hit him and completely rebound, come backwards, completely rebound. That means positive charge and the mass of the atom and the positive charge particle of atom both are present in the center. That means mass and positively charged particle. I have not written particle. Mass and positively charged particle present at the center only. Okay. The mass of the atom is depend on the at the center only, and that center is known as nucleus. That means in this nucleus, this is known as in nucleus the proton are present. Proton and neutron both are present. Okay, so the mass of atom is depend on the nucleus because the proton and neutron are present in the nucleus, and the positively charged particle called proton is also present in nucleus. So that's why the alpha particles were completely rebound. Okay, so this is the conclusion. This is the conclusion were given by the Rutherford. Okay, now let's see nucleus model. Now students, let's see nucleus models given by the Rutherford. Okay, we have seen experiment, we have seen observation, we have seen conclusion. Now let's see nucleus model. First of all, he said there is positively charged particle in the center. There is positively charged particle, I have not written, positively charged in center called nucleus. That means as I have told that the positive charge is present at the center called nucleus. Then the mass of an atom is depend on the nucleus. As I also told that the mass of the atom is depend only and only on the nucleus. And he said electrons revolve around the nucleus in the circular path. For example, this is atom, this is nucleus where proton is present and electron revolve around the nucleus. Electron revolve around the nucleus. So from that we know about electron. that electron has negligible mass. Electron has negligible mass, but proton and neutron have one U mass, one atomic mass. Okay, so mass is dependent on nucleus because proton is present in the nucleus. Okay, the third statement is given by him that size of nucleus is very small than atom. Size of atom, size of nucleus is very small than atom. It means this is the size of nucleus, and this is the size of, okay, this is the size of okay, so the size of nucleus is very small in the compare of atom. Okay, so here the conclusion made nucleus model given by Rutherford. There is one drawback also. You are confused that how many things are there in Rutherford. There are 5 things, students. First of all, he made an experiment, we have to write that. Then what he observed, we have to write that. Then the conclusion, what is conclusion he gave, and the nucleus model he gave, and the drawback. 5 things we have to write. That's why I have made part 1 only, not include the Bohr, because if I will teach you Bohrs, you will be confused in Rutherford, Bohrs and Thomson. So first of all, you remember these 2 only, Rutherford and Thomson. Forget the, okay, you have to just remember Rutherford and Thomson, just forget the Bohrs. Okay, so let's see the drawback of the Rutherford. Okay, students, we are on drawback, so don't be afraid of this statement. This was written, you are thinking that it will be very hard to learn it. It was very easy. I will explain in Hindi as well as in English. So first of all I explain in Hindi. जब उसने कहा कि जब दूसरे नंबर के स्टेटमेंट में कि इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो सर्कुलर पाथ के अंदर न्यूक्लियस के चक्कर काट रहा है, न्यूक्लियस के चक्कर काट रहा है और वो नेगेटिव है. सो we know that in chapter number 8 that any particle we know that any particle if it is in motion it will undergo acceleration. Okay, wait for 2 minutes, unnecessary noise is coming. Yes, we all know that if any particle undergoes acceleration, it would radiate energy. If the negative charge electron is revolving around the nucleus, it means it will undergo acceleration. If it is doing acceleration, it would radiate energy. Okay, it will radiate energy, and when it will lose its energy, it will be fall on the nucleus. For example, wait for 2 minutes. Okay, students, that this is nucleus and electron are revolving. So it will radiate. They are doing acceleration. They are moving in uniform motion in circular path, that they are continuously changing their velocity as well as the direction. It is meant by acceleration. They are doing acceleration, so they will radiate energy also. If they radiate energy, they will lose the energy, and when they lose the energy, they will fall on the nucleus. Okay, students, we know that if electron is revolving, it accelerate. If accelerate, radiate energy. If radiate energy, it will lose energy and fall on the nucleus. So it will be unstable. That the atom or anything would be not exist. atom would be unstable. But we know that the atom is quite stable. So this is the drawback, and this drawback was complete by the Bohr's model of an atom. Bohr's model of an atom complete the statement which was wrong, given wrong by the Rutherford. Okay, we will see it in the next part. So let's see first of all definition. He said electron move in circular motion, circular path. That means electrons are moving in circular path. If any particle move in circular motion, it undergoes acceleration. That means it will it is doing acceleration. If it is undergoes acceleration, it radiate energy. That means it is doing acceleration, it will produce energy. And if it radiate energy, it if that means if electron is radiating energy at a time, at one time, it will lose the energy. It will lose energy in a and fall. Lose energy in atom will lose energy. It will lose energy. It will lose energy, and if it lose energy, it will fall on the nucleus, and atom would be unstable. But we know that the atom is stable. So this is the drawback which was of the Rutherford, and it was completed by the Bohr's model of an atom. Bohr's model of an atom complete that drawback, and this is the most IMP topic. So you have to learn experiment, observation, conclusion, nucleus model, and drawback, and the figure also. Okay. So this was too easy. Just you have to be focused, and just you have to pay attention in the class. Okay. I hope that you have liked the video. In this video, we have done valency, electron, proton, neutron, Rutherford, and Thomson model of atom. In part 2, we will cover remaining topics. If you like the video, then like, share, and subscribe. And in next video, we will do Bohr's model, mass and mass number and atomic number, isotope, isobars, and distribution of electron in different shell. Okay, so let's meet in next video. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत.